How to buy Southwest Rapid Rewards points. Buying Southwest Rapid Rewards points can help you top up your balance for free flights, upgrades, and other travel benefits. Here's a structured guide on how to purchase Southwest points efficiently and safely. What are Southwest Rapid Rewards points? Southwest Rapid Rewards points are the loyalty currency earned through Southwest Airlines flights, credit card spending, and partner offers, redeemable for flights, gift cards, car rentals, and more. Why buy Southwest points? Buying points is useful when you need to top up your balance for an award flight, take advantage of promotions, or secure bookings during peak seasons when cash prices are high. How to buy Southwest points. Log into your Southwest Rapid Rewards account, go to the Buy Points section, select the amount you need, and complete the purchase using a valid payment method. Cost of buying points. Southwest points are typically sold at a standard rate, with prices varying based on the number of points purchased. Promotional periods often provide bonus points or discounts, making the purchase more valuable. Annual purchase limits. Southwest imposes an annual limit on the number of points you can buy. Check your account for the current limit before purchasing to ensure you stay within allowed amounts. Look for promotions and bonuses. Southwest frequently offers promotions, such as bonus points or discounted rates when buying points. Purchasing during these periods increases your points balance at a lower cost. Best uses for purchase points. Use purchase points for high-value redemptions like last-minute flights, peak travel periods, and upgrades, where points provide better value than cash fares. Risks of buying points. Points can devalue over time due to program changes. Avoid buying points without a specific redemption in mind to prevent potential losses from devaluation or limited availability. Maximizing value from Southwest points. Redeem points for flights during peak seasons, short-haul routes, or promotional fares. Regularly monitor Southwest deals and partner offers for high-value redemptions. Buying Southwest Rapid Rewards points is a strategic way to enhance your travel rewards. By purchasing during promotions, using points for high-value redemptions, and staying aware of program updates, you can maximize your travel benefits effectively.